Hi friends, how are we? So we're gonna do lesson 3, chapter 12, lesson 3 today. So we're working on multiplication and we've done the 2s. Now we're gonna multiply by groups of 3. So let's just go ahead and jump in and get started here. So Pat has 2 boxes. She puts 3 marbles in each box. How many marbles are in the boxes all together? So we have 2 boxes of 3. So remember, the factors are the numbers that we're multiplying. So 2 times or multiplied by 3 equals 6. That's like saying 3 plus 3. So how many are 2 3s? 3 plus 3, so 6. So our product, our answer, the number in all, 6. Okay? So we're going to be using the words factor and product for this lesson. All right, so a little blurry. There we go. Okay, so one's done for you, but let's go over it. We have 4 groups of 3. So we have 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3. Okay, so 4 3s. 4 times 3 equals 12. So it's like saying 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, and then the opposite is the same. So like we said in addition, 8 plus 3 equals 11. Okay, 3 plus 8 also equals 11. Okay, so they're just trying to get you used to that. All right, over here we have 5 groups of 3. So that's like saying 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 times 3. So we have to count by 5 3 times. Or we could count by 3 5 times. But I think it's going to be easier to count by 5 3 times. So let's count by 5 3 times. 5, 10, 15. So 5 times 3 is 15, as well as 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? All right, let's look at 3 and 4 here. So we have 3 3s. So we have to count by 3 3 times. Or we add 3 3 times. So we have 3, 6, 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So multiplication problems, just like addition and subtraction, can be set up going this way, or they can be set up one on top of the other. Okay? And if you remember from our last lesson, anything times 1 is that number. So 1 times 3 equals 3. That's like saying you have 1 group of 3. Okay? All right. Let's see. Look at the back here. The back is the same idea. It's just set up a little bit differently. Okay? Not as many visuals as the front. So we have 3 times 6. So that's like saying 6 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 6. You have to count by 6 3 times, or you have to count by 3 6 times. So in this case, we have to count by 3 6 times. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay? And over here, anything times 1 is that number. So we have 1 group of 3. How many do we have? We have 3. Okay? All right. Now we have 8 times 3. So we have to either do 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 3 plus 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 3. Okay? So now would be a good time for you to pause the video. Try 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, okay? And see how you do. All right? See if you can get these right on your own. But for now, let's keep going. 3 times 8. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. Okay. Now we have 3 times 7. Now, if you look, instead of counting all these up, we just have to do 3 less than this one. So 24 minus 3 is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. But for sake of counting, let's make sure we got it right. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay? And now if this one is 24, this is 3 less. We have 21. This one is 3 more, so it should be 27. But let's count and make sure we're right. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Okay? Now these are just ones that you have to do it on your own without having a picture to help you. So we have 3 groups of 3. So 3, 6, 9. And if you remember, anything times 0 is 0. And then we have 5 3 times. 5, 10, 15. So 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay? All right, now we did this on the last lesson with 2, but now let's do it with 3. Now, we noticed on the last time the pattern was to count up down here by 2. So this time it's going to just be to count up by 3. So we have 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So that means 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. And 3 times 9 is 27. Okay? All right, so that is lesson 3. You all are doing a very nice job. If you're confused or you have any questions at all, please, please, please don't hesitate to ask, okay? I hope that things are going well for you, and I will talk to you later.